Starts. Good morning, all of you. I am Yash Pawar. Today I am introducing the SCADA. The SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. The first question is what is meant by SCADA? SCADA is a software installed in a PC and it is used to automate the industrial processes. As like a PLC, it is used in an industrial automation. After that, we are seeing some basic structure of SCADA system. At the base, there are several equipment surrounded by several sensors and actuators, which collect the data from the machineries which given to the PLC. This PLC is connected to the software connected via communication channel. The communication channel must be an Ethernet or any fiber optic cable, cellular system or any other. After that, we are going to see the basic functions of SCADA system. The sensors collect the data and give to the PLC, and the PLC is connected to the SCADA software is called as data acquisition. The communication channel is connected to Ethernet, fiber optics and vice versa or many more is called as data communication. Through the HMI, the all our data is monitored is called as data monitoring. If any abnormal condition is achieved through an machinery, then alarm system is generated called as alarm management, and the control function is given by HMI, human machine interface, and the SCADA software also provides an authentication to the user. After that, we are seeing some diagram of SCADA system. Diagram of SCADA system. It has the central processing unit CPU, which processes the input data and manages the operation. After that, there is an auxiliary memory for an storage of program. After programmable input output is used to interface the end devices to the CPU. The communication interface is used to communicate with the RTU with the CPU. The RTUs are nothing but an sensors and actuators surrounded by the machinery, and the control console is nothing but an HMI, human machine interface. After that, we are seeing some applications of SCADA system which include power generation and distribution, waste water management, oil and gas industry, manufacturing and industrial automation and transportation system. Thank you for listening.